In today's video, I'll show you how to download Java on Windows 10 in a simple and safe way. Java is needed for many programs and applications to run properly, especially tools used for learning, coding, or certain online software. To avoid security problems, it's very important to download Java only from the official website. Let's start by opening your web browser. In the search bar, type java.com and press Enter. This will take you to Java's official website. Once the page loads, look for the button that says Download Java and click on it. On the next page, click the Download button again. In most cases, the file will start downloading automatically. If it doesn't, look for a link on the page that lets you start the download manually. Once the download is finished, go to your Downloads folder. Double-click the file to open it. If Windows asks for permission to make changes to your device, click Yes to continue. It's a good idea to keep Java updated so your programs work correctly and your system stays secure. You can always return to the official website to check for updates when needed. And that's how to download Java on Windows 10. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.